Hi guys, Andrew here. It's the 1st of February. Today I'm going to be showing you how to block adverts on your home network on every device. For this project you're going to need a Linux based computer which is always running. So I'm going to be using a Raspberry Pi because it's low powered and it will be more than enough for this. So you're going to want to open an SSH connection to your Raspberry Pi and log in as root. So I'm logged in as Pi currently, so I'm going to do sudo su cd back to the home directory. I'm now root. I'm going to use the automatic install of the AdGuard home software. And this is going to be what's used to block the adverts. So paste that in. It's telling me that there's a problem. This probably won't happen to you because I've done this before. It should work now. Right, here it goes. Unpacking. Right, it's been installed. So we've got, it's giving us the IP addresses of this system with the port 3000. So I'm going to use the bottom one because that's a local address. I'm just going to paste that directly into Google Chrome. And then I'm going to press the Getting Started button. And it's going to tell me that port 80 is in use. I'm going to change that to port 81. Yours, if you're not going to run on port 80, it'll probably say it's free. And now you can use it. DNS, I'm going to leave this on the default of 53 because that's the default DNS address I want to use. I'm going to press next. It's going to ask me for username. So I'm just going to enter Andrew. It's going to ask me for a password. I'm just going to password, but it could be secure, but it's on your local network and it's only going to be used accessing it. So it should be fine. Right, so it's giving me IP addresses so I can configure my device. Yet again, this is still the address of my Raspberry Pi. So I'm going to press the next button and it's going to tell me it's installed. So I'm going to open the dashboard and you'll notice it's now switched to 81 because that's the port I wanted to use. Go log in as Andrew and password. And it's online now, and you can see it's already blocked a link for an Amazon advert site. So I'm going to copy the IP address of my Raspberry Pi. I'm going to go over to my router under advanced, then I'm going to go to my network section under DHCP, and where you see your DNS slot, change that so it's pointing to the IP address of your Raspberry Pi. So I'm going to change this so now it's pointing to my Raspberry Pi. You press save. On some routers you may need to reboot, but after that the requests are starting to be redirected through the Raspberry Pi and start blocking adverts. So that's pretty much it. I'll leave links in the description to both AdBlock Home and I might do a blog about it. Hope you find this useful. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.